Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi, working as an assistant professor under AIML department in Business College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about CSS, so cascading style sheets, so CSS background. So CSS background property is a shorthand for setting multiple background properties in one declaration, including background, color, image, position, size, repeat, origin, clip and attachment. Of course, this property is essential for customizing the visual appearance of elements. There is a visual appearance which represents a color, image, gradient, etc. So try it. We just try it here. So try it. So image, color, gradient, none. Currently active property. Background in linear gradient to right FF9966 FF5E62. Syntax CSS selector, so background bg color, b image, url bg position, bg repeat, bg attachment. So close bracket. So dot root open bracket background we just declare only a color. So white url gfg, so underscore logo dot png center no repeat fixed. So next is CSS background property, which is shorthand property for the following. So say background properties and its description. So CSS background color property. The background color property CSS used to specify the background color of an element. So particularly we have just used this background color to particular element. So CSS background image property. The background image property is used to set one or more background images to an element. So CSS background repeat property. The background repeat property in CSS is used to repeat the background image both horizontally then vertically. So CSS background attachment property. Background attachment property in CSS is used to specify the kind of attachment of the background image with respect to its container. CSS background position property. In CSS, body position property is mainly used to set an image at a certain position. So CSS background origin property. The background origin is a property defined in CSS which helps in adjusting the background image of the web page. CSS background clip property. So background clip property in CSS is used to define how to extend the background color or image within an element. Background color property. This property specifies the background color of an element. A color name can also be given as green, X value as 5570F0 and RGB value as RGB 252. So syntax body then is an color. So here we use particularly value of it. The syntax body is background color, so color name close bracket. Background image property. This property specifies an image to use a background of an element. By default image is repeated, so it covers the entire element. Syntax body background image link close bracket. So the background repeat property, by default the background image property repeats the image both horizontally and vertically. Syntax to repeat in an image horizontally body background image link background repeat x. So background attach property. So this property is used to fix the background around image. The image will not scroll with the page. So the background image we just include means background image so does not scroll if only the paragraph or any other content or any other numbers that's only scroll, but the background image is permanently attached. So syntax body so background attachment fixed. Background position property. So this property is used to set the image to a particular position. Syntax body background repeat no repeat background position left to top. CSS borders. So GS borders is the line that surrounds an HTML element, providing a visual separation between the element and its surroundings. Borders can be styled in various ways, including adjusting their width, color, style. Basic properties used to define borders in CSS are border width, border style, border color. This borders in CSS article will teach us about CSS borders, covering style options, practical use case, best practices. Basic syntax. So this simplest way to add a border to an element is by using border shorthand property. Here is the basic syntax. Elements border 1 pixel solid black, so close bracket. Table of content border properties, way to style border in CSS, common border styles, CSS border width, CSS border color, CSS border individual size, border radius property, practical use cases, CSS borders use cases. Ways to style border in CSS. So CSS border property enables styling of an element's border by setting its width, style and color. And first one is a border style. So CSS border top style property, border right style property, bottom style property, and has a left style property. Then is a border width, border top width property, border right width property, border bottom width property, then border left width property, then border color, border top color property, border right color property, border bottom color property, border individual size, then border radius. Thank you.